towering building starts from a pile of soul, and excellent quality comes from a millimeter. As the core pillar of the overall reliability of the dryer frame, New Xinyuan innovatively adopts a modular steel structure design, combining high strength and flexible adaptability. It can quickly respond to different production capacity demands. The box door is made of stainless steel material and filled with high-density insulation cotton, which greatly reduces the heat loss rate, ensure efficient utilization of thermal energy, and continuously save operating costs for customers. New Xinyuan always adheres to the core concept of quality first, quality foremost, takes craftsmanship as our soul, and hones the vitality of products from every detail. The birth of each dryer embodies the tireless dedication of New Xinyuan craftsmen day and night. New Xinyuan leverages technology to upgrade production capacity and fulfills quality commitments with professionalism.